Hey there YouTube. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the daytime running lights, the lower lights down there, on your 2010 through 2015 Camaro. On the 14 and 15 those are fog lights, and on the non-RS models those are also fog lights. And I'm also going to be adding a harness which makes them fog lights, because once you turn your headlights on and your parking lights on, these shut off and there's no way to turn them back on, which sucks. All you need is one tool. You just need a T20 torque screwdriver, which is like the little star screw. You're going to want to turn your wheel all the way to the right to start. Let me set this tripod down, angle it up here, and do that. There we go. Grab the lights though. I'm going to be replacing them with LEDs, as you can see. And then I'm going to, here's the harness. I'll link that below. Now you can see there's one screw right there, two screw, and there's a third screw right down there. And those are the three torque screws that you're going to remove. So we'll start with that. Careful, these are going to be tight, so especially, I mean, they've never been off before. Oh yeah, they're going to be pretty snug. They're rusty and dirty and stuff. I prefer to do it by hand than with an impact, because you're more likely to break the screws if you use an impact. More likely to snap the heads off. Here's number 2. And then here's number 3. There we go. Then you just want to pull this out and down. And let me see if I can turn the light on here. I can't. Alright, let me grab a light really quick so you can see in there better. Alright, this isn't the best light, but it's something. Let's pull this back. As you can see right there, there is the fog light slash DRL, and that purple right there is the harness you're going to want to disconnect and add that to. Now, I'm going to start with the harness just because that's easier. So yeah, let me shine this up in there. It's the purple harness right up top here. You're gonna find the plug, which is right on the top of it. You pull it down. There's the harness right there. And then you grab your new harness, which is plug and play. You take this end. This end plugs into the part we just, the side without the push pin on it, like the little push clip. This is the side that'll go into the harness itself. Grab that light. This is this, oh there we go, that makes that easier. This is the side that goes into the harness right here, like this. It clips in, nice and tight. And then this plugs back in to where you just unplug the other one from. So, just feel in there. It's right above the fog light, basically. And it's a little tough because not a lot of room to push in there. Oh, let me try with my other hand. Get that light back on there. And it doesn't help that it just died on me. Let's see. There we go. You hear it click, and then you push the little white locking tab that's on top. And that holds it in place. Now if we look, and we turn on, we just hit unlock, it should do the same thing, where they come on. But now, I didn't show this before, but if you turn on your headlights, they stay on. Well, one's on and one's off. It's not burnt out, must not be plugged in all the way. Set this back down. And plug in the rest of the way. Unless it literally just burnt out. Huh. That's plugged in. And that's plugged in. Well, maybe that light literally just burnt out. And as for the fog light, you just twist it counterclockwise. Or wait. These are going to be different RS and non-RS, just because for whatever reason they're different bulbs. Yeah, they just twist counterclockwise. I just want to make sure. Huh. It might have blown out. And then there's a little push tab that unplugs right on top. And then you pull the bulb. Which is a pain. If they've never been out before. Let me pause this and I'll get that off. Alright, now that I got that off, it just takes two hands to really hold the bulb and push it, or pull it, I mean. Then you take the new one, there's a little clip tab thing right there that you see. That's going to go on the side that has the tab on it, the locking tab, and it's not lighting up. Alright. Must be something with this harness. Let me see if I turn off the lights. And hit unlock if it lights up. Because the other side's still on. For whatever reason, this side doesn't want to light up right now. If I hit unlock, there it lit up. Interesting. So let's put that back in for now. You can hear it click, and then you twist. I think it's locked into place. It's hard to tell. Can't see the tabs. I don't think that's the right way. There we go. Ooh. Pull that out, double check. I can't tell. There we go. Now it's locked into place. There we go. Now we come back over here. You press unlock. And there you can see the difference between the two. It's a pretty big difference. Just have to figure out what's going on with that. Why it doesn't come on when the lights are on, but yeah. That's how you do that. Then you just put those screws back in. And for the other side, turn the wheel the other way. And it's the same exact thing, but you don't have to do the harness on that side. It's only on the driver or the passenger side. So yeah, thanks for watching.